happened here?
Arthur, thank goodness you're here. The music just stopped.
It fell. I tried to catch it.
Let's see if we can fix this together. I told you not to touch that, Leo. Look at this mess.
I'm sorry, Dad. I didn't mean to. You knew the rules, Leo.
Please, I'm sorry.
Sorry doesn't fix this.
Dad, wait, I can fix it. Leo, go to your room, now.
But, Dad...
No buts, go. Look at you. Standing up is quite the effort, isn't it?
It's adorable, in its own way. I trust you know what's expected.
I didn't do it, I promise.
We'll see about that.
Look at that, you did it. That's my boy.
I fixed it.
Good job, buddy. Leo, could you come here for a moment?
Okay, Arthur.
Why don't you come sit right here next to me? Open it up, son. Let's see what's inside.
Oh, wow. It's beautiful, Arthur. Wow. It is beautiful. Ha ha ha. Yes, it is.
This music box, it always reminds me of love and family.
It truly captures that feeling.
Exactly. Can I touch it?
Yes.
But gently. Just like this?
Yes, that's right. Wow, it's so beautiful.
Yes, it is.
I can hear the music.
Leo, this music box, it will be yours one day. You have my love for old things and fixing broken items.
Wow, really? Thank you.
You see, this music box holds more than just a tune.
Wow. What is it, Mr. Arthur?
It's a key to another world, Leo.
Grandpa, why does Leo get it?
Because he is special, Mia. I promise, sweetie, this doesn't change anything at all. I still love you exactly the same.
Doesn't it? You always get the special things. Do you want to turn? I don't want your pity.
Oh, Mia, darling, there you are. It's so lovely to see you looking so well. I understand you had something you wanted to tell me, Leo? Olivia, please. Olivia, please. I am only saying the truth.
Leo is a good boy.
Good boys can still be careless.
Almost done. Just need to add the music box. Perfect. Grandpa will love it. Grandpa will be proud when he sees this.
Of course.
Another project about Grandpa and his precious Leo. Do you want to see? No. Oh. I'll just get some more glue from the kitchen. Huh. Oh, you're not ruining this. Oops. Ah, my project. What did you do? Sorry.
You did this?
I didn't mean to.
But you broke it, Mia.
I know.
My project.
Why did you leave it near my juice? Your juice was not there before. Are you calling me a liar? What happened here? He did it. Is that true? Mom, Leo put his homework near my juice. Now he wants to blame me. Leo, stop shouting. That's not true.
Maybe you should be more careful with your things.
She ruined my project. I said, be more careful. But, get over it. Why is everyone shouting?
Leo made a mess and blamed Mia.
I don't want to hear it, Leo. Dad, please listen. Mia poured juice on it.
I'm not sure I believe that, Leo.
I didn't. Leo, enough. Clean this up.
But, Dad...
Clean it up. Leo, hurry up. I'm waiting.
I'm sorry, Dad. I'm almost done.
Just leave it. We need to go.
I want to believe him, Olivia. But the proof is right there.
Because Leo is very good at looking innocent.
I have to go, Leo.
Nobody likes a child who always makes excuses. I am not making excuses. Then prove it. Oh wait, you can't.
Leo. What's wrong, my boy?
I miss her, Grandpa.
I know. Me too. Come here.
Why do you look so sad, Leo?
My project got ruined, and my dad thinks I did it.
Did you do it?
No.
Then the truth is still the truth, even when people do not see it.
But what if nobody believes me?
Stay calm. Angry words make the truth harder to hear. I'll really try, Arthur.
Good boy. So, the little lamb is going to try. Still the favorite little boy. Leo, could you bring the music box to the living room and place it on that small table?
Okay, Grandma, I will be careful.
Leo, why are you still wearing that jacket? It is warm inside.
I forgot to take it off. I'll hold it. Take off your jacket. Okay.
Good. Now go help Victoria in the kitchen.
But Grandma told me to watch the music box. Are you saying I cannot watch it? No, I didn't mean that. Be a good girl, Mia, and open the box. Okay, I'm opening it.
Sometimes, careless children break precious things.
Oh, no. But Leo is not careless.
Then we will help him look careless. Do you want Grandpa to love Leo more?
Do not admire it. Break it. Mom. Do it. I can't. Pull harder. No. Oh no, I broke it.
Good.
Good?
Grandpa will cry. Grandpa will blame Leo.
The jacket needs to be here.
Why is Leo's jacket next to the broken music box?
Why are you putting his jacket there?
Because people believe what they see.
But it is not true.
Truth does not matter when the story looks real.
Ah! Mom! Ah! Mom! Oh, Mom.
Scream!
I can't.
Scream now, or I will tell Ethan you broke it alone.
Dad, help! The music box!
Something's happening!
What's going on, Ethan?
It's coming from the kitchen!
Arthur!
Check it out!
Leo, stay close to Victoria.
What happened?
The music box is broken.
No.
Who did this?
I heard a noise.
Leo was here earlier. His jacket is right there.
My jacket.
Leo!
Dad, I didn't touch it.
Leo, please. This is not the time to lie. I am not lying.
You ruined your homework yesterday. Now this?
Mia ruined my homework,
No, I didn't.
See? He always blames others.
Because she did it.
Enough!
I saw Leo near the box.
He's never lied to me before.
That jacket, it's his.
Leo, please don't make this worse.
Dad, I didn't do it. Then why is your jacket here?
Olivia told me to take it off and put it on the chair.
Ethan, listen to him. Now he is blaming me.
Did you tell Leo to remove the jacket?
I told him to remove it, but it was because it was warm. I was just trying to help. Then she moved it. That is a serious accusation, Leo.
Everyone stop talking.
Dad! Dad, please.
I want to believe you. I really do. But the proof is right there.
So you believe the jacket more than me?
Go to your room, now.
Dad! Go to your room. I don't want to see you anymore. Nobody will believe a clumsy boy like you.
Stop! Cry louder, maybe it'll help. Dad, she just...
Do not speak to Olivia like that.
Ethan, now he is attacking me too.
I don't care. Leave her alone.
But she's lying.
He's upsetting me, Ethan.
That's enough, Leo. You need to apologize.
Go to your room. I don't want to see you anymore.
Hey, Leo. Are you all right? Mom? Leo. Grandma, I didn't do it. I know your heart. But we need proof. Olivia planned it. Did you see her, Leo? I didn't see her, but I heard her cruel whisper. She said I was clumsy. Oh, Leo, I'm so sorry. Olivia's words are cruel. How can we prove it? I know just the thing. Yes.
Arthur's clock camera.
What?
It's a small clock near the window that records the room.
Whoa. Is it still working? I'm not sure, but we must check. It is. It worked. I knew it would. I told him not to worry. But he never listens. Shh. Mom, I feel bad. It's nothing. Now move along. Leo cried. Grandpa looked hurt. That is the price of winning. But I broke it.
No, Leo broke it. That is the story. What if the truth comes out? Ethan believes me.
Where's Grandma Victoria?
That old woman watches too much. I will deal with her later.
She said some...
Leo backs away and his foot hits a chair. Who is there? Leo runs upstairs.
Leo, I called the boarding school.
Ethan, no.
He must learn responsibility.
Or maybe you must learn to listen. He's becoming dangerous.
Because I am telling the truth.
Prove it.
She knows. Ha! Grandpa's clock camera.
Clock camera?
Yes, it records.
No.
That old thing does not work. Then you will not be afraid to check it. I don't see why I should.
Bring the clock.
Here it is, Arthur.
I connected it.
It's a waste of time. Then let it waste time. Take it off and put it on the chair. You told him to take it off. That means nothing.
Mom, I don't want him to get it.
Then make people understand he does not deserve it.
Oh no, I broke it.
Good. Good?
Because people believe what they see. But it is not true. No. Truth does not matter when the story looks real. Ethan. Ethan. I can explain. You framed my son.
No.
I was only trying to... Do not lie again.
You broke a memory and blamed a child.
I only wanted Mia to feel loved.
You hurt me to make her feel loved?
Mom, stop! You made me do it!
I was protecting you.
No! You used me.
You're all against me.
Leo, I'm so sorry.
You believed her again.
I am sorry.
And the shouting, those harsh words. That was wrong. Very wrong. I should have listened before I judged.
Okay.
A child should not need a camera to prove his heart.
Trust is not built by shouting. It is built by listening.
Leo, can you forgive me?
I need you to believe me next time. I will.
Not because there is proof. Because I am your son.
Yes, because you are my son. Leo, I am sorry.
Why did you do it?
I don't know. It's okay. I was jealous. Grandpa gave you the music box. I thought everyone loved you more. I never wanted to take love from you.
Mia, love is not a cake. Giving one piece to Leo does not leave less for you.
I understand. I forgive you, Mia, but please, always tell the truth. I promise.
Olivia, you need to pack your things and leave. What?
No, I didn't do anything.
You framed my son, manipulated my daughter, and you lied.
You're wrong. I didn't. I did it for Mia. No. You did everything for control.
Leave the house.
Mia, we must go now, please.
I am not going with you.
But Mia, we have to.
I want to stay and fix what we broke.
Do you think we can fix it?
Yeah, I think if we just put these gears back like this, it might work.
I can try. Can I help too? Yes. But gently. Gently.
I promise.
Almost there.
You got it, Leo. Carefully now.
Just a little further. Yes. Listen.
It plays again.
It sounds sad. No, it sounds stronger.
That is what happens when something broken is fixed with love.